playing. So I've been playing Idol here. So this is my setup right here. There's all the damage tanks that will take all of the damage. This my build. There we go. By the way, this is the only good one. And this, cause all of this will take all of the damage. This may Inosuke strat. See, they will take all of the damage. Wait, fuck. Then Inosuke will build up the shield. Will stack his shield. Shield. And now see, and this guy will infinitely revive as soon as Inosuke is not going to die. See? People saying that Inosuke dying to low tier people, but you just need the right strat. Bye bye! Subscribe, slow bro.